Shortcut keys to move windows between virtual Windows 10 desktop. In Windows 10, are there keyboard shortcut keys to move an application window between virtual Windows desktop? For example, I remember in Ubuntu, I can press Ctrl plus Shift plus right and it will move the active windows to the virtual desktop on the right. I want to be able to move windows between virtual desktops without a mouse or touch screen.
The functionality of moving an existing application to another virtual desktop exists, but isn't mapped to a keyboard shortcut, and there seems to be no way, yet, to map it. That said, move to the next virtual desktop, Ctrl plus Win plus right arrow. Move to the previous virtual desktop, Ctrl plus Win plus left arrow. Create a new virtual desktop, always created to the right of the last desktop, Ctrl plus Win plus D. Show existing desktops and their overview, Win plus tab. Some general tips to make you more productive.
If you don't mind using Auto Hotkey for the purpose, the Project Virtual Desktop Accessor comes with an example which does exactly that. A collection of nice defaults that makes use of this library is available in this URL. Switch to virtual desktops 1 to 9 using hash and backfill hash of desktops if needed. Move active windows to virtual desktops 1 to 9 using shift hash and backfill desktops if needed. Close windows with shift Q.
There seems to be no shortcut key, but you can Google it. Check to see this URL. Here goes descriptions. Open the task view window, Win plus tab. It will show you all virtual desktops and application windows in thumbnail icons. In task view, find your application thumbnail, then right-click on the thumbnail and select Move to. Select the destination desktop. That's all, folks.
I know this thread has been dead a while now, but thought I'd mention that Michael Zomparelli has created an app called Virtual Desktop that has a ton of functionality, including the feature of a hotkey to move windows between virtual desktops. It has a free 10-day trial but then is paid, unfortunately. You can find the app here, this URL. Here's an example of this in the app.
If you want to support the